Alright, I'm going to go over how to import the live preview data. So right now we just have the basic installed theme and there's no content. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go under under tools, and we're going to want to import. And then you have a list of sites to import from. We're going to import from WordPress. So by default you'll probably get prompted to install the plugin, and you just click install, and all it does is pull a plugin that's the WordPress importer. So we're going to want to activate this plugin and run it. If you accidentally click off this page, you can just go under installed plugins and you'll see WordPress importer there, and you can activate it. So once we have it running, now we can go into tools, import, click on WordPress, and we can import our file. So we're going to choose our file, and under our download from ThemeForest, we're going to live preview XML. There's only one file in there. We're going to click on it and choose that one, upload and import. You'll get prompted with a few different things. The most important thing you're going to want to do is import attachments. You want to check that. Yes, we'll want to do that, and that's just going to grab images and things like that. Right here, you can just read this box. It just asks if you want to import the user. I'm going to go ahead and do that just to keep things simple. So we click submit. Then it'll take a second, and it'll say all done, have fun when everything's been updated. There are a few more steps after this. If you visited your site, it'll look a little ugly. All we need to do is set up a few things. So the first thing we're going to need to do is set our homepage and set our blog. So let's go under settings, reading, and instead of your latest posts, you'll want a static page. For the front page, we'll select homepage. For the post page, we'll select our blog, which is the blog. Click Save Changes. Then we're going to need to activate our menu. So under Appearance, Menus, you'll see our menu has been created for us, just like our live preview. We just need to assign it to a theme location. So we'll choose our main navigation and click Save. Now if we view our site, it'll look very similar. We'll have our slides and a blog post already set up. All of our pages, so if we go to About, if we go to Page Styles, for example, you'll get a list of our page styles. And these are all examples that you can use. Same with Contact. If we go to our Contact page, it looks just like the live preview. Very easy to use. The last step we need to do is set up our portfolios. Never mind, they actually will likely get set up for you. But if you visit your portfolio and it doesn't end up working, what you're going to want to do is go under Pages and then just edit the page. So under Portfolio, you just edit it, and then you'll select your type, which, we'll want to change that to our example type, and click Update. And then you'll want to do that for all 4 of the portfolios. Go under Type, click Example Type, Update, and then that'll display our example portfolio types. So now if you visit the site, it looks just like the live preview. Obviously the copyrighted images aren't in there. But yeah, and if you wanted to get the sidebar, these are all widgets. So if we go to edit our widgets, you can just remove any of these widgets that you don't want to use. Now if we view our site, we now can have our tweets, or you just cannot have any widgets at all if you go that route. So